have a recipe for a snack that is low carb, quick and easy, and extra cheesy. Cheese crisps. So that's what I'm going to make today. Right now I have the sliced sharp cheddar, and I took a few slices and I cut them into quarters, and I'm just going to line those out on the baking sheet. I have a silicone mat laid down on the cookie sheet. So on top of the cheddar, I have a little bit of Parmesan. We're going to just sprinkle a little bit and set it right down on the top. And then I'll be adding seasonings to it. I have garlic powder, onion powder. I have the everything bagel seasoning, and I'm going to add a little bit of red pepper flake to a few of them. I don't like it. Alright. So I'm going to do the everything bagel seasoning and just sprinkle a little bit of that. I have the garlic powder. That I love. And the onion powder. And a few of them will get the red pepper flake. It's a little too spicy for me. I'll probably choke on it. Alright, and then I have the oven preheated at 400 degrees, and these will be ready in a few minutes. Alright, they were in the oven at 400 degrees from about 8 to 10 minutes. I probably needed to let them go a little bit longer to crisp up, but hey, I'm a busy mom. So if you don't have time to make cheese crisps, you can make cheese chewies. So I'm going to try it. Still really good. Yep. Very good.